How to fix Terabox buffering issues. Now, the very first troubleshooting steps that you need to follow is by checking if your internet speed is stable or not. Now, this is where you should be able to see your current signal. If you're only having like 2 or 3 bars, then all you have to do is to restart or rerun your current internet service. Now from there, you should be able to have it troubleshooted. If you turn it off, turn on your airplane mode for a couple of minutes, turn back on your Wi-Fi and double check if your internet is improving. Now next thing to do is to clear cache from the Terabox itself. Pull up your Terabox application, tap on the three lines at the top left portion, go to settings, and go to clear all cache data. Now, if the issue still persists, try to uninstall your Terabox application and try to install it again. And right there, you should be able to fix it without any problems. So those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Terabox buffering issues.